Okay, I wanted to point out a couple of things, extras here. I got some lighting. Yes, maybe here where you see my flathead here. Let's see, right in there, right here, maybe, yeah. So right here, you want to, there's a little plus sign on the top of this, like a little arrow. So you don't want to have the sleeve of the water hose coming over that. So I had first pushed that up and then went back and say, well, you just slide that back some. And also with the clamps are a little funny. So here again, see, can I get down here? It's clamped here. To get the top one on, you kind of have to slide this one, kind of push it downward and kind of twist it around a little bit. Then you can get the top one on here, and then the same thing, kind of push this one around to unlock it. Also, I found out you may have some drainage coming here. So you want to put a plastic, so another person put a plastic bag over the alternator. So you might want to do that for some of the drippage because it's right below this guy. Okay, but that's pretty much it. Again, just wanted to give a few more tips here. A couple things I had missed, and again, didn't have my lights, but this is that thermostat now fully installed. All the bolts were in, they weren't too bad. So again, just adding on to the other piece of the puzzle.